going on, travel fans? It's Ron from RJT Travels, your go-to for all things travel. This is a room tour video for Secrets Royal Beach in Punta Cana. What you're about to see here is a preferred club junior suite with a swim-up pool. Now, I do want to clarify on this. This will be something that will typically be on the first floor because it's a swim-up room. And this is a shared swim-up. So there's actually 3 rooms to 1 pool area. So all 3 rooms will feed out into the same shared swim-up space. There is a different version that has a private swim-up pool, but this one is the shared swim-up space. It is a preferred club room, so we'll come with all the preferred club amenities, including your butler. So if you have any questions on that or anything, please reach out, let us know. We are a Hyatt Inclusive certified brand, so we can sell anything in the Hyatt Inclusive brands, including Secrets. I was just at this resort a few weeks ago, hence why you're seeing these. I filmed these room tours myself, so if you have any questions, hit us up, rjttravels.com, or give us a call on our main number. Be happy to help with anything that you need. So I hope this helps. I hope you see this. If you have any questions, let us know. But until then, thanks, guys, and happy travels.